with 2 research paper presentations and 1 poster presentation. Bergania Gian Rafael P. Top 12, Junior Life Sciences Research Olympiad and Top 17 Scientific Poster, CHI 2025. With 1 published abstract, 4 research paper presentations, and 1 other poster presentation. Last, Angel Vin, Best Poster Presenter, De La Salle, 1 published abstract and 2 other research paper presentations. Campnyo Jeriel G, with 1 published abstract, 2 research paper presentations, and 1 poster presentations. With 1 published abstract, 2 research paper presentations, and 1 other poster presentation. Constantino Eliza Dion A, with 1 published abstract, 2 research paper presentations, and 1 poster presentation. De Guzman Shen Kelly A, Top 12 PG, with 2 research paper presentations and 1 poster presentation. Golosino Bell Ashley M, with honors, with 2 research paper and 1 poster presentations. Gregorio Shali May C, paper presentations and 1 other poster presentation. Lynn Rose, with 1 published abstract, 2 research paper presentations, and 2 poster presentations. Makaraeg Maxine Q.
Lyson Gladware Kai X, Toyong Yawon, with 1 research paper presentation. Tahina Leonel Doris L, Service Award for Student Journalism, with published research paper na Constitution University Philippines, Logos Publication, with 1 published abstract for research paper presentations and 2 paper rather poster presentations. Messia, April Joyce, second best research paper in Committee's Choice Special. Amelia, Charles Emile X, with 4 research paper presentation and 2 poster presentation. Pasqua Stephanie C, with 4 research paper presentations and 2 poster presentations. Pineda, James Carl R, with 1 research paper presentation, second runner-up, UAE Season 87 Street Dance Competition, high 2 poster presentations. Portuliano, Rihanna, Lindsay, Kaisha, published research paper na Consolacion University of Philippines Logos Publication with 1 research paper presentation. Inan Precious Nenia S, with high honors, Outstanding Student Communication Arts, Filipino, Service Award for Student Journalism.
So yun po, no? Graduate sa senior high school ng aking anak na si Godmer Kyle S. Lyson, meron din yung kanyang pinsan na si Charles Emil. Charles Emil Padilla, ito yan na ginanap sa Manila Hotel. Salamat po. God bless.